Hello, this is a video tutorial for First Aid Club Motion logo. This is from group 4.
Firstly, create a new composition and pick the background color. Next, import all the files and drag into AE one by one. Then, create a new white solid. Drag the pictures into composition and put it in the correct place. Change the scale position into the correct place too. Next, put the text and choose the font as usual as the original logo. And adjust the sizing and the composition. Adjust the size for the first A text. After that, select all and make it center. Use transition, rotation, and position for this effect. After that, select the keyframe and easy ease. Again, use transition, rotation, and position tool. Group the logo to make it easier. try session. Choose the correct color for the font. Click the animate button in composition area. Go to property and choose the position. Then go to property and choose opacity. And adjust the opacity. Also adjust the position. After that, go to offset and adjust to. Also for the another layer, go to the composition area and click ramp up and adjust the ease high and low. Select keyframe and easy ease. Adjust the first 8 layers. Select keyframe and easy ease again. And for the effects and presets, go to there and choose the typewriter effect. Next, go to the animator one and adjust the start button right there. And select all the keyframe and easy ease. Select all and create a new pre-compose. Rename it and click OK. Lastly, save it and render using a media encoder. So this is our final result.
Izzah as motion design, Veera as editor, Anis as voiceover.